2 simple ways to prepare mango tea. Do you love mangoes? If yes, then have you ever thought of preparing tea using the fruit? Well, that is what we are going to talk about in this video. Mango has been claimed to be the king of fruits. It has a deliciously creamy consistency and a delightful taste. This bright yellow fruit has many nutritional benefits. Did you know that you can make mango tea and enjoy most of the benefits of mangoes? Well, it's made from leaves, so not sure if it would taste exactly like a yummy mango. We are going to show you how to make this healthy mango leaves tea. First of all, let's look at some health benefits of mango tea. Number 1, diabetes treatment. Mango tea has been used by Europeans to treat diabetes and clear blocked blood vessels. Mango tea has been claimed to impede diabetes progression. Mango tea has also been stated to heal blood vessels in the pancreas. These characteristics have helped mango tea is becoming an effective treatment for diabetes. Number 2, lowers risk of hypertension. Drinking mango tea can help you lower the risk of hypertension. As it helps clear blocked blood vessels, it helps improve blood flow. It also helps fortify fragile vessels, which usually lead to hypertension. Health and Wealth recommend drinking 1 cup of mango tea daily to help treat hypertension. Number 3, high in vitamins. Mango leaves, which are used to make mango tea, contain considerable amounts of vitamins A, B, and C. If you are looking to eat, sleep, and live healthier, then mango tea is just the thing for you. It helps maintain an optimum level of vitamins and minerals in your diet. Vitamins Diary claims that vitamins present in mango tea are one of the chief suppliers of nutrients in underdeveloped nations. Number 4, antioxidants. Mango tea contains natural antioxidants. The amount usually depends on the leaf's color. Green tea contains higher amounts of antioxidants. Black and white variants prevent oxidative damage. Vitamin C is a natural antioxidant and a water-soluble vitamin. It protects the body from free radicals and toxins. It also helps prevent scurvy. Number 5, prevents heart disease. Crammed with antioxidants, mango tea helps prevent and reduce the risk of heart disease. It eliminates free radicals that can cause heart disease and other arterial diseases. Now let's making mango tea. Mango iced tea. Beat the heat with this superb recipe for mango tea. This recipe does not feature dried mango leaves, and uses mango pulp instead. You will need 2 mid-sized Alfonso mangoes, other types would also do, but Alfonso mangoes have a rich flavor. 3 teaspoons of black tea or 2 tea bags. 3 cups of water. A dash of lemon juice. Unprocessed cane sugar. Some mint leaves. Some crushed ice. Then blend it. Now that we have all the ingredients, let's look at how to make this delectable tea. Peel the mangoes, chop them into small pieces. Puree the chopped mangoes and refrigerate them for a couple of hours. Heat some water. Add black tea to the hot water and stir. Let the tea brew in hot water for around 5 minutes. Strain the tea and refrigerate for 20 minutes. Once the tea has cooled, pour it into a blender. Add the cold mango pulp, ice, lemon juice, and sugar. Blend well until it reaches a smooth consistency. Serve with a sprinkle of mint leaves in a tall glass. And enjoy your scrumptious iced mango tea. Warm mango tea. Enjoy the rich flavor of this wonderful warm mango tea. You will need 1 teaspoon of loose leaf mango tea, green or black sugar or honey if available. Then add the mango tea leaves to hot water. Let the tea steep in the water for around 8 to 10 minutes. Add a spoonful of honey or unprocessed sugar to the tea. Serve in a cup. And enjoy your warm mango tea. Mango tea is usually drunk hot, while some other recipes include ice to give it a cool effect. Try them today to include this incredibly healthy drink in your diet. Like and share this information with your friends. To offer a suggestion or an opinion or even tell us about your brewing style, leave a comment below. That's all, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.